Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how install WordPress for free on a website. I will show you whole process with video tutorial. In this video will cover how to get web domain for free, get a SSL for it and installing WordPress on that site. Let's move on to the video, after the channel intro. I am planning to bring more WordPress video tutorials in this channel, so subscribe and join with our channel if you are interested about WordPress. Open your favorite browser and type Infinity Free and follow the tutorial. Type the domain name but don't type domain extension such as .com, .net. Now select a domain extension you like. These all are free, you can use any one you like. Now you have to wait some time to website to go live. After few hours website is live. Now we are going to get a SSL certificate for free. certificate is installed successfully. Let's move on to the WordPress installing section. Type a username and a password. Note that this will be your username and password for the website login. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon with next video.